Hello everyone, so let's learn new vocabulary words with their Urdu meanings. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, our, your, their, his, her, its, us, me, them, him, her, what, who, which, why, when, how, whose, whom, where, what for, whatever, whenever, from where, with whom, at what time, how much, how many times, how long, this, that, these, those, but, about, then, many, here, before, after, only, today, tonight, ask, tell, say, speak, talk. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.